Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm changing the shifter in my 65 bug, replacing it with a black mamba club sport shifter. You'll need a 1/2 inch socket for your stock bolts. Okay, so once you get your stock bolts out, you should just be able to lift up your shifter. It'll pop right out. Don't forget your plate. Okay, so it's gonna be a little tricky to do with one hand, so I'm just gonna skip it and line it up. So give me one sec. Okay, so I got her set in there now. I started the bolts. I had to cut part of the trim around because, well, it wouldn't fit over the high-rise part here. Okay, so I got them all tightened down now. It's a lot more stiff than the stock shifter. So first, second, third, fourth, and reverse. Okay, just swapped over the driver's seat. Gonna go for a quick little spin. See if it should start up for us. Back in the garage now. Sorry, a little hard to drive and shift, but overall I really like it. Doesn't have that much play and it feels a lot more smooth than the stock shifter it's shifting. So I hope you guys found this useful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.